Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Audacity in Kali Linux, or any Debian based Linux distro. It is very simple to install with a single command. All the commands will be given in the description. The first thing is to open your terminal. Type sudo apt-get install Audacity. Hit enter. Type your password. Hit enter. And hit enter again. It will download all the package files and install itself. After processing triggers complete, type Audacity, it will start the program. Now Audacity is successfully installed, you can run the program now. Hit the like button if this video helps you. Follow me on Instagram, I will post facts, tips, and tricks related to tech. If you face any difficulties, just mail me or message me on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel to get the more tutorials in tech related topics, mostly about Linux and Windows. That subscribe button motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.